is, can we learn to give ourselves the safety first, right? So we can learn, and I'm sure you guys have all experienced this in this work or other work, where you actually, like, you could create this sense of feeling totally held, totally safe in your own body, in your own experience, in your own sense of cultivating freedom, etc., right? Yeah? So two things. The two ways through this are to recognize that the thing you never got met as a child will never be met in another until you both agree to do the work to be able to give it to each other in a very conscious container. And the Imago Dialogue work is powerful, very deep, powerful work for a couple to do. I'm a big fan of it. But it's very hard. However, the yogic piece of this, the yogic and meditative piece of this that I have found that works for me now is giving myself the safety, cultivating my own deep love and deep safety in my own practice, and then giving that to my partner. And lo and behold, when I can give that to a partner, they reciprocate.